As a business owner, what's one thing that you can do to bring more mindfulness into the workplace?
I think the one thing that can start is starting with yourself and demonstrating what mindfulness can do for you, and then from then on you can teach your team or lead your team through it, right? Because it's more of a say what I do, not as I say only. The one thing is just giving them some time out. A lot of corporate companies do this now too, is giving them mindful time, which is just taking a moment out of your day, whether it's before your lunch break or whatever it is, and just to breathe and to be like, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. You'd be amazed at how much that can ground you. Just listening to your breath, you know, that deep, and telling yourself a breath in, a breath out, and having that quiet moment can just calm so much. But I think with businesses, you have to implement that and you have to do it yourself, not just to tell your team to do it. Because if they don't see you doing it, they're going to be like, what's the point? They're just telling me what to do.
That's brilliant advice. Do as I do, not do as I say.
Can